What's up, you guys? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in with episode 5. Basically, cataloging how much I make per week playing Hyperdragons Go. Average week, I usually make between $70 to $120 to $150 per week playing this game. I only play it about 30 minutes a day. Maybe I check in probably about 2 to 4 times a day. And it's only based on the times of the tournaments. So they have tournaments throughout the day. Usually there's set times per day, every day. It can range from 7 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. at night. My time is 7:49 p.m. right now, and I got a tournament at 9 p.m. It's the power swap tournament, so that's a pretty big tournament because you earn prestige, and I definitely want to enter that contest. I was looking at a dragon that I just seen on the market. The power swap contest basically is the lowest power dragon. Usually have a bigger advantage. And this dragon right here, the power is 398, got 3 moves, 35 ONG. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna check that out, see how much they asking for this dragon. 35 ONG is $5.61, so it's in my price range. Let's take a look at his skill set. Oh, red flag, red alert, red alert. I see why they trying to sell it. See the health? That health is whack. It's real whack. It's +2. If you watched any of my videos, I always say, man, I don't look at a dragon if their health is below +4. And the stamina is below +4, is a +3, so I'm definitely not going to buy this dragon. It looked good. It looked good for a second, but when I looked under the hood, I see some mechanical flaws in it. So I'm not buying that dragon. It'd have been nice if it had a better metrics. This dragon is 406. Yeah, look at that. The health +2 and the stamina +2. There's no way I'm buying that dragon. I feel sorry for anybody that do. Because you're not going to get anything out of this dragon. Not at this price. Maybe if I can get it for like $5, $6, I might breed with it to lower my dragon's growth rate and then increase it later with breeding it with a higher growth rate dragon. Female dragon. That's one trick to increase your power that I see a lot of people doing. They have a dragon where their growth rate is like 7.0, but the initial power is really, really high, and they want to keep increasing it. So what they do is they breed a dragon with a female dragon with a low growth rate, and sometimes that usually increase the power of the breeded baby pretty high. And then when that baby is able to breed, they'll breed it with a female dragon with a higher growth rate to increase the growth rate back for the next generation baby. And that way you can keep increasing the growth rate each dragon that you breed. I see a few people doing that little trick. So yeah, I'm out of luck with that. So let's look at Ontology. Let's see. The price right now is 85 cents. Is ranked 27th on a market cap. Let's actually go to the market cap. Let's just see what's going on in the market right now. Looks like everything's down. Bitcoin's at 9,659. So Ontology is ranked right below Maker. So it's ranked right below Maker at 27. Zcash is at 25, so it's at a prime spot. So that's not bad. Let's go back to the platform. So yeah, by the way, I forgot to say, please hit the subscription tab and the notification bell to get up-to-date notifications. So that way you'll be one of the first ones to see my upcoming videos. But yeah, I missed the tournament. One of my closest friends asked me to come out last night, and we watched the basketball games. And I set my dragon to fight. I picked the moves, and the dragon got his butt whipped. This is one of the bigger tournaments that I say that I'm really high on. The exclusive Zero Gen contest. You're like, I got whipped. I lost in the first round. I normally place pretty high in this tournament, man. At least top 3. And the first dragon I met, which was this dragon, which is a good dragon. The attributes are good, and the growth rate is good, and the power is amazing. And it had a powerful move, and they built that move up to be really, really powerful with 3 stars, 3 out of 4 stars. So it is what it is. They caught me slipping. It won't happen again. I bet they probably thought that they caught me. I was actually playing a game, but I wasn't. So next time I'll just wait till after the tournament over before I head over my buddy's house. But anyway, the next tournament is the Power Swap. The Power Swap tournament is coming up tonight, with about an hour from now. It's 86 dragons entering, so that's 43. So 42 matches, 42 tournaments. That's pretty big. I think people catching on. Then the final match is the big payday match. So hopefully I have enough tickets to enter that match. It doesn't look like I will, because I only got 6 right now. So to buy a ticket for the tournament, it's 10 ONG for 1 ticket. So I'm down. I only got 6 right now. I should have 7. So I need 3 tickets. That cost me 30 ONG. Look like I might not be entering this week's tournament, because I don't want to spend 30 ONG. I should, but my dragon not ready anyway. This the dragon I normally, well, I've been training my hardest, to become one of those great dragon trainers. This is the dragon I've been training. It's out exploring right now. It's not ready yet. It's only at level 17. I got a good power, but I'm only at level 17. I think this dragon won't be really ready to do damage in the final match until it's around level 25. About level 25. So no biggie. I don't really have a dragon that's really ready to compete, and the reason why I know that, because I can just go back to the fight record and then just look at the last few dragons that actually won and look at their level and their power, and that basically let me know if I'm ready or not. So let's take a look. Let's look at the third dragon. See what their power at. Look, see all they skills got at least 3 stars. So they done built it up pretty good. And look at the powers, 26, 2,624. The level is 28. So yeah, I wouldn't stand a chance against a dragon like this, because it has the days move. So basically, with them being at level 28 and they got a higher power than me, if I did make it to a match with this dragon, I can guarantee you that they're going to hit me with this days first. And with the days, if you got at least 3 stars to 4 stars, when you hit somebody with that days, you get to hit them with that move, and then you get 2 more moves. So basically, he'll hit me with this move, then he'll charge up, then he'll hit me with this move, and the game will be over before I even get 1 hit in, because he got 3 stars on his days move. So actually got 4. So 4 is show enough. 3 moves before I even get 1. So it'll be a slaughter. So like I said, my dragon ain't even ready to compete, because this dragon didn't even win the tournament. He finished in the third. So I hate to see what these dragons attributes and skills look like. So I appreciate you guys for sticking to the end. Basically right now I'm just going to show you where I'm at on the leaderboard, because this is one of the bigger prize pools. So I done fell out of the top 3. I got 647 prestige. I'm at top 6 right now. So right now, if the game ended, I have 18.8 on G. So, but I got 2 gold chests, and then I got 3 more coming in about 6 hours. So I got to clear these out basically before 2 a.m. tonight, and then that way these 3 can be ushered in, and then I'm gonna open up those 3 right away. That's my strategy, and that should put me back up top. And you can see the prize pool going up. It's 4 days and 15 hours left. So thanks for tuning in. See you next video. I'm out. Peace.